into the backyard. As you can see, it's a disaster right now. All of this stuff right here was in a pop-up garage that collapsed during one of the storms over the winter. So it's all now exposed. Eventually, it's going into the camper, which is going to become my work trailer. And we've also got this entirely overgrown area back here and a shed. Ooh, that's really bad light. Move this way. A shed that is falling apart. Over the course of the summer, you'll see me rework this. Most of this side here with the raised bed that needs repaired. This part will be for a shed and tools. We'll have the raised bed and another garden behind it. The compost heap is right there by the tire. And then we have an area back here that is also going to be used for planting and possibly storage. Over here, and I actually misspoke, behind the raised bed is where the trailer is going to go. Right there. This shed's going to come down, and this whole side from the sidewalk here, or the patio here, all the way to the edge is going to be garden, as big as we can get. So stick around, watch the transformation happen.